Hello Light Travelers, today the guys at Gearbest were kind enough to send me a Mangrove Outdoor Mini backpack to check out. This backpack is made from a water-resistant polyester material and has a capacity of around about 10 litres. The first thing you notice about this bag is that it bears a striking resemblance to the Arpanez 10 from Decathlon. This bag, however, has a few subtle differences. This bag's zipper on the main compartment has two zips, and the zip is actually not parallel with the edge of the bag, which I actually found to be a bit jarring whilst packing and unpacking it. I do prefer a straight parallel zipper, especially for smaller bags like this. It has light padding on the back and on the straps, which keep it comfortable in most situations. Unfortunately, one of the downsides is that the front pocket isn't pleated like on the Arpanez 10, which means that it doesn't expand outwards to fit more in. But overall, the build quality is good and the color is nice too. In terms of pricing, the bag comes in at around about $12 or $8 USD, but you can use the special coupon code Packing Light on the Gearbest website to get it for $5.99. Overall, a solid backpack which is just the right size for everyday carry and well built at a good price. But it'll probably come down to personal preference and budget which of these two bags that you would probably rather. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite day bag is, and be sure to stay subscribed for future updates.